Hi guys, back with this mini drone copter as it's called. Can't remember when I bought it, but it was quite a long time ago. It was the first one I ever bought because it was reduced from $14.99 to I think it was $9.99 or something like that. Anyway, if you watch the previous videos, every time I try and get it to fly, it flips over. Lots of people suggested the props were wrong, or the motor was dead, or that I needed to reset the gyros, or gyro. Now, I'm confident it's not the motor dead because I've actually changed all four of them, and I've double changed the one that appears to be dead. I've checked all the propellers. I've even reversed all the motors so that instead of going that way, they go that way, and obviously changed the propellers to match. I even managed to find the instructions because I've had this for so long, these had become separated. But after a long search, I found them. And there is nothing in there about resetting the gyro. I tried the combinations that various people suggested, and they made no difference. But I just sat down and went through all the possible combinations. Now, this is the throttle, so you can't do any up, left, up, right combination, so it's either got to be bottom left or bottom right. This one, yes, you can go up, left, right, down left. If you looked at the comments on the previous videos, I actually put in there what the fix was. So we'll switch it on. Oh, there is a problem now that doesn't hold charge, but apart from that minor problem, I don't know if we can see that flashing. Can you see that flashing? That's a bit better. Okay, switch it on. Quite a few people said bottom left, bottom right, nothing. If I go bottom left, top left, nothing. Top right, nothing. Bottom right, nothing. Bottom left, we do get a flicker there, but it doesn't appear to make any difference. So if I then go bottom right, bottom left, nothing. Top left, nothing. Top right, nothing. Bottom right, there we go. So all that heartache and changing the motors over and over again and rewiring them, all I needed was bottom right on both of them. And now, although the battery doesn't hold up for long, because I'm facing the wrong way, aren't I? Or am I? I can't remember now. Yeah, that's the back towards us now, yeah. I will just stick it where we can actually see it. And we're out of battery. Oh dear. I'll put it on charge and see if we can actually get something out of it. It just doesn't hold any charge now. I can't remember how old it is. Several years. Right, I think I've got the battery charged. I've got that propeller stuck in the bodywork. Right, are we going to get off this time? Well, we got off the ground. Got a nasty feeling that was in headless mode. Full power. We're not going to get back on the table like that, are we? Gonna have to try and get a battery for it now, aren't we? Still, we do appear to have fixed the issue. Even though we can't get off the ground. Talk about frustrating. That's it, full throttle. Okay, well that is progress. We've cured the gyros. Now all we need is a battery. I've just pinched the battery out of another little toy. So we'll just see if that'll work. It's a smaller battery, but well, we'll just see. Whoa. We're up. That's a 75 milliamp hour instead of 100 milliamp hour. But it looks like it's holding a little bit more charge. He says as they start flashing. That's it. I couldn't get it back to base. Well, at least we saw it off the ground. So, yeah, at least we saw it rise up instead of just go down. I'll have to have a look online, see if I can find any 100 milliamp hour batteries the right size.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.